What if the food on your plate could quietly scrub cholesterol from your arteries without medication? It sounds simple, maybe even too simple, but every bite you take is either helping or hurting your heart. And while most people think high cholesterol is something only a pill can fix, the truth is, long before you ever need a prescription, your daily meals are already shaping your cholesterol, for better or worse. That's the part no one talks about. You don't need an extreme diet or major lifestyle overhaul to take control. You just need to know what foods do the heavy lifting for your heart, naturally and fast. In this video, you'll discover 13 powerful, everyday foods that help lower high cholesterol quickly, backed by science and easy to add to your routine. No fads, no gimmicks, just simple choices that protect your arteries and strengthen your heart from the inside out. Let's get into it. Oats, warm, comforting, and quietly powerful. Start your morning with a bowl of oats, and you're doing more than feeding your body. You're protecting your heart. Oats are packed with a special kind of soluble fiber called beta-glucan, which forms a thick gel in your digestive tract. This gel traps cholesterol-rich bile and helps flush it out of your body before it can be reabsorbed into your bloodstream. It's a simple, gentle process. No side effects, just steady protection. Eating 1 to 2 cups of plain cooked oats each day has been shown to reduce LDL, the bad cholesterol, in just a few weeks. Skip the flavored packets. Go with whole oats. Add berries or cinnamon if you want flavor without the sugar. Avocados, a creamy fruit that heals your heart. Avocados aren't just trendy, they're a heart health heavyweight. Rich in oleic acid, a healthy monounsaturated fat, avocados help lower LDL cholesterol while boosting HDL, the kind your body needs. They also offer potassium and antioxidants that further support your cardiovascular system. Just half an avocado a day, on toast, in a salad, or mashed into guacamole, can start shifting your cholesterol numbers in the right direction. And the best part? It feels indulgent, not restrictive. Creamy, satisfying, and good for your arteries. Almonds, more than a snack, it's a natural cholesterol filter. Don't underestimate the power of a handful of almonds. These crunchy little nuts are loaded with monounsaturated fats and plant sterols, 2 nutrients that help reduce cholesterol absorption in the gut and support healthy blood vessels. But here's the key. Keep them raw or dry roasted. Just 23 almonds a day is all it takes to make a meaningful difference. Avoid the sugar-coated or heavily salted versions. They undo the benefits you're after. When eaten right, almonds aren't just a snack, they're a daily tool for heart defense. Fatty fish, a natural defense against artery damage. Fish like salmon, mackerel, sardines, and trout aren't just delicious. They're packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which your body can't make on its own. These healthy fats lower triglycerides, reduce inflammation, and help prevent fatty buildup inside your arteries. That means better blood flow and lower risk of heart disease. Swapping red meat for fatty fish just 2 to 3 times a week can dramatically improve your cholesterol profile. Whether it's grilled salmon or a simple tuna salad, your heart will thank you. 5. Beans and lentils. Fiber that pulls cholesterol out. Beans, lentils, chickpeas. These humble foods do heavy lifting inside your body. They're rich in soluble fiber, which binds to LDL cholesterol and carries it out like a cleanup crew. They also provide plant-based protein, helping you cut down on meat that's often loaded with saturated fats. Just 1 cup a day can reduce LDL by up to 6%. Add black beans to your lunch, lentils to your soup, or snack on hummus. It's easy, cheap, and incredibly effective. Olive oil. Liquid gold for your arteries. Extra virgin olive oil is one of the simplest upgrades you can make for heart health. It's full of monounsaturated fats and polyphenols, powerful antioxidants that protect blood vessel walls and reduce inflammation. Replacing butter or margarine with olive oil can lead to better cholesterol numbers and lower your overall risk of heart disease. Drizzle it over salads, roasted veggies, or use it as a base for simple dressings. Choose cold-pressed, high-quality extra virgin olive oil for the biggest benefit. Berries. Sweet protection in every bite. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries do more than brighten your plate. They're rich in polyphenols, antioxidants that stop LDL cholesterol from oxidizing, a key step in preventing plaque buildup in your arteries. Eating just 1 cup of berries a day can improve cholesterol ratios and reduce markers of inflammation. Enjoy them fresh, frozen, or blended into a smoothie. Their natural sweetness makes heart-healthy eating feel like a treat. Dark chocolate, a sweet way to support your heart. Yes, chocolate can be good for you, as long as you choose the right kind. Dark chocolate that's at least 70% cocoa is rich in flavonoids, compounds that help blood vessels relax and reduce the oxidation of LDL cholesterol. This means better circulation and less plaque formation. Just a small square or two per day is enough to see benefits. More than that, and the added sugar and calories can start to work against you. So treat it like medicine, rich, satisfying, and used in moderation. Flax seeds. Tiny seeds, big cholesterol impact. Flax seeds are tiny, but they punch well above their weight when it comes to heart health. They're one of the best plant sources of omega-3 fatty acids, especially alpha-linolenic acid, which lowers inflammation and supports healthy blood vessels. Flax seeds also offer soluble fiber and lignans, both of which help reduce cholesterol absorption. For best results, eat 1 to 2 tablespoons of ground flax seeds daily, in your oatmeal, smoothie, or yogurt. Whole seeds pass right through your system, so grind them to unlock their benefits. Green tea. Green tea has been used for centuries, and now we know why. It's rich in catechins, antioxidants that help lower LDL cholesterol and protect artery walls. Drinking 2 to 3 cups of unsweetened green tea daily can steadily improve your cholesterol profile while calming inflammation in your blood vessels. Plus, it's hydrating, soothing, and a smart alternative to sugary drinks or heavy coffee. A few cups a day is a simple habit that builds real results over time. 11. Garlic. Pungent, powerful, and protective. Garlic isn't just a flavor booster, it's a natural cholesterol fighter. The active compound allicin has been shown to help lower total cholesterol and slow the progression of plaque in arteries. You don't need garlic supplements. Just 1 to 2 raw or lightly cooked cloves a day can support heart health. Add it to stir fries, soups, or salad dressings. It's an ancient remedy with modern science behind it. Spinach, a leafy green that cleans as it nourishes. Spinach is more than just iron and vitamins. It contains plant sterols and lutein, both of which help prevent cholesterol from sticking to artery walls. It's like a green, leafy broom for your blood vessels. Including a cup or 2 of spinach several times a week can lower cholesterol and provide a rich mix of nutrients. Use it raw in salads, saute it with olive oil, or blend it into smoothies. It's versatile, affordable, and wildly effective. Turmeric, the golden root for cholesterol control. Turmeric's bright yellow color comes from curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory that helps improve your lipid profile and lower total cholesterol. It also supports your liver, the organ responsible for processing cholesterol in the first place. You can use turmeric in cooking, stir it into tea, or take it as a supplement. Just make sure it's paired with black pepper for better absorption. A small daily dose goes a long way toward long-term heart protection. So now you've got 13 powerful, proven foods that don't just manage cholesterol. They help reverse the damage naturally. You don't need to wait for a prescription to take action. The foods you choose today, simple, natural, and available in every grocery store, can start lowering your cholesterol before any medication ever enters the picture. It's not about cutting everything out. It's about what you add to your plate. One meal, one bite at a time. If this video helped you, hit like so others can find it too. And subscribe for more smart, simple ways to protect your health without the guesswork. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time.